Yo guys, what's up? Let me just quickly prepare everything for the stream. We are in a trade right now, by the way. Yes, I'm short. Hi, hi Sebi. I remember your name from last stream when I was streaming. I'm in a short right now, yes. Wait, let me quickly show you. I went to sleep yesterday at 12, no, it was at 1 AM and I entered my limit orders. One of them was here and it got filled today at 9 AM. So yeah, I'm currently in the short. This is where I'm gonna close the whole position here. This is where I will make 900 per account. So yeah, I'm gonna go out here fully and maybe even look for a long down here then. You can see I have a buy limit here with the stop loss here, and this is my my short position here, and I have the stop loss right here above this high. So I am in a short right now, yes. Are you in a trade as well right now, or? By the way, I got a new stream, how do you call it? Design. But somehow the chat isn't working. Let me quickly fix this. Or try to fix it. Because you're supposed to see the chat. Oh, let me fix that quickly. Yo, what's going on? Who are you again, Neubert? I remember you also from last stream. What's your name on Discord? How is your day going so far? Man, I woke up so late today. I woke up at literally 11 AM. And then I had to go shopping, but my trade was filled already. And now I'm just waiting for this trade to go to my take profit. But somehow the chat isn't showing on stream. Oh yeah, Xander, yeah, how are you, man? Now I remember, yes. And I set up some chat so everyone can see the chat live on stream, but it doesn't seem to work. So I'm gonna try to fix this quickly, guys. Because I think that's really cool. You can see the chat from Kick and from YouTube live on stream. Oh, where is this? Oh wait, now it's showing. Yeah, now it's showing something. It went away again. Wait, how can I make it stay? How can I make it stay, guys? That's so cool though. Wait, how can I make it? I don't want it to go away. So it seems to be working. Wait, how do I do this? I think probably on the website. Guys, give me 1 second. I will answer your questions once I'm finished fixing this. Yeah, it shows only for 10 seconds exactly. I want it to always show. Because we don't have that many chatters yet, and it's cool to see the history on stream as well. For me as well, then I can only look at OBS. Guys, I'm new to the streaming game. I set this up on Friday and I wasn't able to test it yet. And obviously now the website doesn't work. Oh wait, now. Okay, connect with Twitch. I'm in with Kick. How was your trading week, guys? The last one. I had a good week. First day was so stressful for me, guys. Oh my god. I gotta talk to you guys about this. It was crazy. But I luckily recovered all the losses from Thursday on Friday, so I even made profits. I made $400 per account on my futures account last week, so I made 4 times 4, that's 1.6k. But 2 weeks ago I had an insane week. I made 1.6k on each account, so you can 1.6k times 4, that's around 6k. So in 2 weeks, how much is that? 8k, that's not bad on the futures account. So I hope we'll have another good week, guys. We'll see. So I'm logged in now. Let me quickly fix this, guys. I want this to work. This is so cool, man. This bot that I have is so cool. I can even do giveaways and stuff like this with the bot, and I can see all the people that talked, that interacted the most with the stream. And everything like this is so insane. Wait, where was this? Chatbot? I think chatbot. No. Oh, I think it was this. Chat overlay, yeah. Okay, here, animation pop in. I have it set to pop in. This is probably wrong, right? Or wait. 10 seconds. What is this? Oh, it just reloaded. I don't think it's because of pop in. That's just the animation. Oh, wait, here. Remove old messages. That's what's on, so I switch this off. Wait, what did I just change though? Change something else. Oh, okay, wait. I think I got it, guys. I think I got it. The website is bugging though right now, so... Okay, I think now it's fixed. Let me see. Alright, I can see 2 messages. By the way, I quickly got to post my stream on my Twitter account so everyone knows them live. Alright guys, we're almost done. We're almost done. I'm gonna get back to you soon. Give me 1 second. I think I fixed this though. No, it still goes away. Why? Why does this thing go... Why does the chat go away? It should work. Wait, let me try changing that. Message away again. Yeah, it's so annoying. Why does it go away? It goes away after like 5 seconds. I don't know why, man. Let's change the animation. Oh, this is so annoying, guys. I don't know. I have the right settings though. Oh wait. Wait, maybe this is it. Sorry guys, I should have done this before the streams, before I started the stream, but I couldn't really test it. I couldn't really test it without the chat being active, so... No, I have it set correctly now, guys, so... CryptoBotter, how are you doing, man? Now I can see the chat. But it keeps going away, what is this? I really don't know, guys, it's so annoying. I don't know why the chat keeps going away. It kinda sucks. What if I do this? Let me try this. Last thing I'm gonna try. Doing good. I saw your message, but it goes away. Man, I don't know how to fix this, guys. Let me quickly ask YouTube. How is my trade looking, by the way? Alright, we're at 200 profit, that's fine. Alright, let me quickly check on YouTube. Or ask ChatGPT as well. Let's see if ChatGPT can actually help me out here. Okay, I'm gonna type. Gonna make some screenshots as well of my settings. I really want this to work, guys. It's because I can't test it if I'm not streaming. No, I'm using Xandy, I'm using, what's the thing called? I'm using OBS and the bot is called Botrix, botrix.live. And this is what I tried to add the chat overlay, but somehow the messages keep going away and I'm trying to fix that. Let me type this in ChatGPT. There's one thing I could maybe try, and removing the chat overlay and re-adding it again with the new settings. Maybe that's gonna fix it. So annoying. Wait, now it's staying though, I think now it may be staying. Wait, what did you type? Let me check the chat. Schick dir mal was auf Discord. Aber jetzt geht's. Ja, I think it's working, guys. I think it's actually working now. Now it's staying. That's good. I think we fixed it. Nice. Okay. And now let me quickly make the Twitter post. Make this link. Alright guys, we're almost done. We're almost done. Then I'm gonna get to you. Alright, there we go, guys. So last week, guys, last week was so stressful for me. Well, only Thursday actually. Wait, let me see if I can pull up the trading stats. Well, I posted them on Discord. And as you can see, on Thursday I had a pretty big loss, and I was so dumb because I was streaming and I basically forced a trade that I usually would never take, and obviously that trade hit the stop loss. And I got so mad because of this first trade, because I usually wouldn't take that. I only took it because I was on streaming for 2 hours and there was no trade coming basically. And I decided to enter one early then, the level that I usually wouldn't consider an A+ setup. And what happened, guys, went into stop loss, then I tried another trade with low risk though. Went into stop loss as well. But on the next day, luckily I recovered all the losses. I even made profit, so I was really happy about that. It was so triggering. I really need to make sure that I don't do anything stupid on stream, honestly. So now I'm just gonna, before I stream, I'm gonna place, or sometimes maybe live on stream as well, I'm gonna place my limit orders, so you guys can actually also, I think I'm gonna post them on Discord before I enter them, and then once they hit, I'm gonna stream live. Because if I wait on the stream for a long time, it's not a good idea, it's basically pointless. I only want to stream when I'm in a trade, I think. So yeah, this was really stressful last week, and I just need to make sure it doesn't happen again because I was so stupid. But we still closed the week over on profit. I was on each account up $400 the last week. The week before I was up 1.6k on each account, and we actually have one payout that I could pay out right now on the futures account as well. But I want to scale them higher. That's a really cool thing, by the way, if you don't trade futures yet. I want to scale them higher because the higher the account balance goes, the more I can pay out and the more profits I can make each day. So for example, now I close the trades at $800. Usually profit, that's the max I do on each day. And once I get to like $56,000 balance. I can go higher, so I can make more profit a day, and I can also withdraw more. And it's also safer to trade like this, because if I pay out all the time, my drawdown will get reset. So yeah, this is my new strategy, by the way. Let me check the stream chat. Going good, nothing good to complain. Working and trading on a rainy day. Yeah, it's raining as well here. In top chat. Nice, yeah, it's working now, guys, so this is really cool. And let's see what EOS is doing. Oh, we're going a little bit up again here. So my stop loss is above these highs here. I don't, yeah, well, we can hit the stop loss, of course, if we go higher than that, but this is a strong resistance here still, and this is also kind of strong resistance, and I'm expecting to go here to the point of control, to this red line, and this is where I'll close this whole trade. I was up already $300, around $340 before, but it looks like we went a bit higher. I hope we're gonna go back below this value area high here, the blue line you can see here. This would be really good for my trade. And this is the whole volume area from this whole, since this crash we had. And it has been respected nicely. Here I took a nice short before on the highs of the range. And usually what I'm doing, I'm longing the low of the range. So as you can see, I took longs down here. This is where I made the massive gains on Friday. I longed this low here, guys. I closed it around here, and it even went up to here, so I could have made even more. But I did long this low here, and this is where I tried a stupid trade last week, here in the middle of the range, what I usually never do. I never traded the middle of the range. That's like gambling, basically, according to my strategy. If you trade low time frame, you can obviously try to scalp that. My cat is here, guys. So let me see what the chat is saying. If you have any questions, guys, let me know. The chat is staying now, right? No, it went away again. What? Let me see. Maybe this is gonna fix it. I don't know why the messages keep going away. How can I refresh this? Wait, maybe this is gonna work. I don't know, guys, I need to fix this next time, I guess. I can't get it to work properly. What if I tried to add it again? This is so annoying. Refresh cache of current page. What does this do? I can't get it to work, guys. It's so annoying. I have the right settings. I emailed ChatGPT and the settings are correct. I have it set off, but it still doesn't work. Let me ask ChatGPT again. We're gonna let me cat out. Let me ask ChatGPT, guys. Refresh browser when scene becomes active. Check your OBS browser source refresh. Okay, wait. Refresh browser when cache becomes active. Do I have to enable this? No, I have this off. Right? Yeah. Make sure the overlay URL isn't reloading. Make sure only one chat widget is loaded. I only have it added once though, I think. Let me quickly check. Well, I'm using it on 2 streams, but that should still work. I'm using it once here. No, that's fine. What's the next thing? Okay, wait. Let me try this. I'm gonna remove it and re-add it. This doesn't fix it, guys, then yeah. Gonna remove this. Yeah, remove. And now I add a browser source. Let me see if that fixes it. Okay. As I added it again, let's see if it works. Let's see if it actually works now, my bot. Okay, let's see if the chat goes away now, guys. Let's see. I think I managed to fix it, guys. No, it's going away, I think. Why does it go away on my... I don't get this. It's still on stream now. Still visible on stream. What happens if I type something else now? Actually, I think it's working now. It's actually working, guys. I think I fixed it. So the resolution was to just remove and add it again. So guys, what is the trading? Oh, we're going a little bit up here. I'm gonna keep holding, guys. I'm not gonna go out of this trade, even if we go break even again. Can go break even here still. If anyone isn't in this trade yet, guys, you can could enter short here in case we go up again. 6741 is a good short zone. I do think we can still see a correction here, guys. We're still above this range, but I think we can go back into this range still. One hour is also kind of oversold, overbought here. What about 4 hour? Yeah, well, 4 hour isn't, so. It is a good setup though. We are at high time frame resistance here, and I think we can go back here. I'm still bullish on ES, by the way. High time frame, but this is a valid short here, trying to short this. I'm also gonna look for a long down here anyways, so I will close this short here and then look for a long down here. And if we lose this level, I'm gonna try, we're probably gonna go down here again, and then I will be looking for a long down here. These are the main levels I want to trade in this week. This here, short up here, or if we go up here, maybe a short up here, guys, at the previous all-time high. And I'm gonna look for longs at the lows. This is a really simple strategy. Hard part is obviously getting the right levels, because this was an absolute sniper entry. I mean, look at this. We hit this to the dollar here. I mean, this is crazy. This was such a sniper. And by the way, look where we reacted from, guys, from the 1 hour support here. That's where we bounced from. And this is the fib here from the whole uptrend. This is also where there's a lot of support here. But we don't really have another confluence here besides the fib and obviously the very low here. But I think if we go down here, there's also the possibility that we can take out these lows here again. Great, let's see. Yeah, let's see. It's a good setup, and even if I lose it, I'm not gonna be mad. It's part of the game, so there's obviously no guarantee that I'm gonna win this trade. But that's the part of it, guys. If we lose this, we're gonna go to the next one. And we also made lower highs here, by the way. You can see here lower high, lower high, lower high, and we made a lower low. So this is actually low time frame bearish market structure. But obviously if you go to high time frame, we are still bullish here on ES. There's no question about that. This is the high time frame here on ES, and we're on a massive uptrend. But you can see we are getting kinda overbought here. I do expect that we will see a bigger correction sooner or later, guys. I mean, and it's gonna the uptrend is still gonna continue even if we go down here to this weekly level here, which is far away. Or let's say we even let's pull the fib here. Oh, my other drawing is kinda, oh wait, here was the high, yeah. So actually here we can even go down here, guys, and we would still be in an uptrend high time frame. And this would be a massive correction, right? This would be a massive correction. This would also probably be really bad for Bitcoin and Ethereum if this happens. But I still think we can go higher on, I'm still bullish on Bitcoin and Ethereum high time frame as well. There's no need to be bearish here at all. I mean, if you also look at Bitcoin market structure, we are still, it's still a really healthy moves that healthy pullbacks that we've seen here. This was the CME gap before, by the way, perfectly filled. But you can see here, we are still in an uptrend. I mean, yes, we've seen a massive pullback, but we are still in an uptrend on high time frame. There's no need to become bearish here. Same with ES, but obviously I'm trading low time frame here, so because these are all day trades that I'm taking. What is wrong with my trading view? Hate when it does that. Really slow market. I think we will see more action in 1 hour, guys. Are you guys in any trade right now, or? Wait, I'm not live on Kick yet. I'm so dumb. Yeah, I always forget to press that button. There we go. Monitoring Nasdaq and also Ethereum. Yeah, me too. Sadly, my Ethereum long got closed for some reason. I don't know why it got closed on FundedNext. That was strange. I woke up and it was closed, but I still made profit. I made 1k on it, including the $1,000 in fees that I paid. So it's fine, but it was still kind of annoying. I think we went even higher now. Yeah, we went a little bit higher. I have no idea why it got closed though. That was really strange. So they basically took $1,000 in fees from me, so I can hold it over the weekend. I took this trade on Friday, by the way, and then they close it on Monday. I mean, what? For what? So I paid $1,000 for holding it for 3 days. That's crazy. Scam swaps, yeah. It's so funny on FundedNext you have to pay for that. I didn't know that when I signed up for the account. You have to actually pay an additional like 100 euros or whatever it is, that you can hold these trades for like a good price. It's really funny. Is the chat working now, or are we still... No, it seems to work now. That's cool. I guess I fixed it. What is ES doing? Still moving up here. Would be really nice if we cannot go above 6728. But we'll see. We can actually still go here, guys. There's still a possibility that we go up here, take all this liquidity, and then see a bigger pullback. Or obviously hit the stop loss. That's also a possibility. But I had an insane entry so far. If you actually take the value area from here, we are still below the value area high here. So that looks actually good. I mean, retesting this VWAP here is honestly, I think, pretty high probability that we will go there again. Other broker have also swap fees, but on crypto it's like nearly not worth to hold any position. On FTMO it's really funny. On FTMO you can easily hold them. You don't pay an additional amount. This only happened to me on FundedNext, but I guess that's why their accounts are a bit cheaper. And it's only on Ethereum and crypto. Yes, also on funded accounts. It's only on FundedNext you have to pay an additional amount that you have zero swap fees. Or close to zero. And on FTMO you have swap fees, but they're much lower. On crypto at least. So yeah. We're still pushing higher here, guys. Let's see what happens. Retest the value area high here. Breaking this would be really nice for my trade, guys. Breaking this low, this would be amazing. You can see here, basically, well, it was actually to the dollar. It was hit to the dollar here, this 1 hour's level. Oh wait, it's a 30 minute, the 1 hour was here. Yeah, the 1 hour was also perfectly hit though. So we need to lose this, guys, we need to lose this level here. How is the trade looking, guys? $127 up. Come on, we need to see a new low here, guys. I really want us to break this key support here. This would be what I want to see for my trade to increase the probability of it hitting the take profit here. I need to soon take a quick toilet break, guys. But we have some viewers, that's cool, guys. Also on Kick we have quite a lot of viewers. I just need to be really consistent with streaming. I think I can get a little bit more viewers even if I stay consistent. Because I'm actually streaming on real funded accounts, guys, not anything fake, not paper accounts. I'm actually funded with them. So all the winnings you can see are real, guys. Nothing fake on the stream. And they are funded so I can pay these earnings out. Or obviously if we lose, I'm gonna be also upset. Well, not upset, it's part of the game, you know. This is the important thing when you're trading, you cannot get upset. Because if you get upset and emotional, then you end up doing really stupid trades. I really hope that we will go down here, guys, because the RSI is also kind of high on the 1 hour time frame. So I think we can actually, could really see this TP hit here today, hopefully. Do we have any major news today? Let me check quickly. No, nothing special today. Tomorrow is gonna be, well, tomorrow and Friday especially is gonna be a big day. Friday is gonna be a really big day, guys, in terms of news, so gotta keep that in mind. But it's cool with this chat now, guys. I'm thinking if I should also show the trades on all accounts, like from my copy trader, so you can see that I have the trades open 4 times. So this trade I have 4 times open. So I'm trading basically with 12 contracts here at the same time. And I'm thinking if I should also show this on stream. I tried fitting it on the stream, but it didn't look so good because I still have this chat overlay added. There's the typical bot message that's coming in, guys. from when I start streaming on Kick, there's always a guy messaging me that if I want to get fake viewers, I want to buy fake viewers. So this is the message I get every day when I go live there. Wow, we're pushing to my entry again, guys, here. But I'm gonna stay strong. We either gonna hit take profit or stop loss on this trade, guys. We are at the resistance here now though as well, on the 1 hour. Looks like we're getting close to the entry. We're gonna probably hit the entry again. We'll see. Close to the entry again, guys. So if you want to re-enter the trade, there's probably a good opportunity here. If you're not in this trade yet and want to take it as well, there's no financial advice, obviously. But here's the zone where that would also be good for an entry, or you can also wait up here. But I'm gonna stick to my plan, guys. We are at the 1 hour resistance now too. Let's see if we can see a reaction from here down again. Gold explosion. Other broker have... Gold explosion, echt? Mal schauen. Let's see what gold is doing. Holy crap, gold pumped like crazy, man. Gold is such a funny asset to trade, actually. If you think about it. It's in such a massive uptrend, it's crazier than crypto and every other market combined. I mean, look at this. Look at this, man. Gold is crazy. Like, if you try to short here, it's so risky. It's so risky. I'm trying to short gold. I haven't traded gold for a long time, though. Oh, guys, we're getting close to my break-even. We're getting close to my break-even here. Let's see, guys, what the market is gonna do today. We're still kind of safe, even if we go to the entry. I mean, it's gonna get dangerous, more dangerous up here. But guys, trust me, I had trades last week, for example, as well. They went exactly like this. What's happening now? We went down nicely in profit. I mean, I could have made 1.2k here, right? If I closed at the low. 300 on each account. But I've had it happen so many times, and the last time I also had someone in my stream asking, why don't I close or set to break even? And I've seen stuff like this so many times, and it's absolutely, I don't want to go out of a trade just because we go close to my entry again. We can go up here, we can take this liquidity here. There is actually a high chance that this happens, but there would have also been a high chance that I missed on this trade. We could have seen him pull back much quicker here without retesting again. But this is why I don't close at break even with this strategy I'm using here in ES. I've seen this so many times that we go back to break even and then the big move is happening afterwards. So I'm just gonna hold, I'm just gonna be patient, guys. There's no need to close now, even if we, no need to get emotional here, even if we go back to entry. Even if we hit stop loss, it is what it is. That's part of the game. And I risk $300 on each account, so that's totally fine. That's 0.5%. I risk, I think, $300 on this trade. Alright, I need to take a quick break, guys. I need to take a quick break. For like 3 or 4 minutes or 5 maybe. I'm gonna quickly go on the toilet. Wait, let me type it here. Fuck. Alright guys, see you soon. I'm gonna quickly go on the toilet. Or actually, I can leave this on. I have my mic muted, guys. Sorry, I'm so stupid. It looks like we're going back to the entry here. And what I said before, there are probably a lot of people trading this as a breakout here. As you can see, we did see a breakout here basically. Retest, breakout now. But yeah, I don't trade breakouts, I trade my levels. I think we can still go up here actually. At least it looks like it. I mean, if we go back now in this range, if we actually... This is a fake out, that would be perfect for my trade. We go back in here. So this is the level that we really need to lose, guys. We are at the entry now, almost. Such a strong push here, crazy. Okay, now we are at the entry again, guys. I think we're gonna probably go to this 1 hour resistance next here. Let's see if we can actually go down here again. Or if we are gonna take the liquidity from here. By the way, if this trade goes into stop loss, guys, I could still do one trade. Because my rule is that I can maximum amount of losses a day is 2. So we'll see. If we actually go to the stop loss, I might try to enter one more short and hope for a bigger dump from these highs, but we'll see. There's also the reason why I probably won't take the trade up here is because I think if we go up here again, we can actually just go to the highs again. And I'd rather wait for this here and take a short then from up here. Because we did see a perfect retest of this point of control here. We saw a massive dump from here, from this point of control. So honestly, if we go up here again, there's a high chance that we try to take out these highs here again. So far still break even. Yo, what's up, man? How are you doing, my friend? Did you take any trade today? Closed my long gold. Man, gold had a massive explosion today. I saw it before. Such a crazy pump. I'm in a short right now. Let me see how it is going now. We are a little bit in profit now. I was almost $300 up. Now we're at break even again. We'll see. We can go here and take this liquidity as well. But I had such a sniper entry though before. Why are my AirPods? What is going on here? Okay, wait, I think I fixed it. Let's see, guys, what happens here. Maybe we'll see a push down here again. We'll see. But I do still think we can possibly take all this liquidity from up here. Well, nice that you made it. You already are done for your day, probably, right? Gold was an easy trade. Let me have a look at gold. Well, Friday was such a nice setup. Holy crap, that was a nice setup here. Long from these lows here. Wow. Look at this. What a beautiful setup that would have been. And today, yes, I see it here. So this was Friday still, and then we saw, yeah, okay, this was a nice setup from here as well. According to my strat from here, probably take a long, yeah, this would have been nice. Stop loss below these wicks, easy. Cool setup, yeah. I don't trade gold though. I focus on ES only. I might trade gold again, we'll see. So what is my trade doing? We're stuck at the entry. This would be such a nice take profit, guys. Come on, it would be such a beautiful trade. But yeah, it is a risk that we stop out here, obviously. If you see a massive pump up here. But I'm just gonna leave this running. I'm not gonna touch it at all, guys. Even if you go close to the stop loss, I'm not gonna go out of here. I do think we can go back into this range. And my take profit is exactly at this point of control here. Where there's a massive amount of liquidity from all the longs here. So this is what my prediction would be. And then maybe a newer high. Or maybe we're actually gonna go down here again. Or even down here. This is also a possibility, depending on what happens. But so far I've been just trading this range, really a nice trading range, basically lowering the lows and looking for shorts at the highs like I'm doing again. We are at the highs, so I'm looking for a short. and predicting that we're gonna go back into this range, and we are also on a, you could say, a low time frame downtrend here. Well, here we saw now a breakout, but this is what a lot of people trade, these breakouts. I never trade them. So we could, yeah, well, let's see what happens today, but we made a lower high, lower high, lower high. Now we're making a little bit of higher high here. And here we also made a lower low. From here at least. Not from here, but I'm just trading this range, yeah. That's my setup. Kind of boring. It's not a lot of action right now. Hopefully it will change in 20 minutes. New York Open usually always gives a lot of volume. Not a lot of action here. Still slightly in profit, guys. Honestly, if we close below here, guys, it's gonna look really good for us. All we need is to close below this low here. This is what I'm waiting for. This would be beautiful. Let's see what the market open gives us, guys. This is going up, I think. You mean up where? Up here or to my stop loss? I mean, it can. I'm not saying it can't, but it is a setup that I would take. The setup that I would always take. Where do you think it's going up? I mean, I do think it can go here. I mean, it can also go here, don't get me wrong, it can also go here, yes. But we can also go down here again in the range. "15 minutes to go, guys, for the New York Open." Such boring price action. Where do you guys think it's going? Do you guys think we'll see a new high here, or are you also in a short? What do you guys think? Now closing below here would be nice. Closing below this high. Will be difficult though. 15 minutes we have market open. Nice. Little pullback again. Not too bad. Could also be a nice long trap. Trap for longs. If you actually go down below this here, guys, it's starting to look really good. Because then we will trap all these longs up here. They will all be trapped. And then I think we'll see a long squeeze. This is what I'm hoping for. Kinda boring so far, guys. Working on some other stuff meanwhile, because this trade isn't really moving right now. Back at the entry now. Market opens in 10 minutes, guys. We will see hopefully some more volatility here. really slow market right now. I think I'm gonna go AFK for like 10 minutes because it's not moving at all. We most likely go to the 6,800 area. Yeah, maybe. I was talking about this before. If this hits stop loss, I'm not gonna trade until here again. Sorry, yeah. Until up here. It really depends on what happens now in market open, honestly. I mean, that's it with trading. You can never know what happens. There could be some random news now. Bearish or bullish, whatever. It can be Trump tweeting something again, which is going to completely affect the market. So this is it, guys. It's anything can happen with this setup. I mean, we can go stop loss, we can go take profit still. This is why I'm just holding this. I don't even... I really do, because trust me, I've seen so many of my setups, and this is why I don't close them at break even. They can go up here again, and this can go up here again and still hit my take profit here. I'm not saying it's gonna happen now, or this is a guaranteed win. That's not what I'm saying, but according to my statistics, I've had this happen so many times, and I'd rather take a loss instead of win, because if I take one loss here, I lose 0.25% or 0.3% max. And no, sorry, 0.5%. What am I talking? 0.5 to 0.6% if I lose this. And if I win it, I can make... This is a 3-to-1 RR trade. So I need to win one of these trades, and I can lose like 3 trades again. So if I win this trade, I can lose 3 trade setups like this again, and I'll still be break even. So this is why I'm just holding these. Trump, the inside trader. Yeah, Trump is such an annoying guy, man, with this. I mean, I have nothing against Trump in general. I mean, sometimes he's obviously talking a lot of bull crap and stuff like this. But in some cases he's also not bad, but in a lot of cases he's bad. Like, for example, there's no way this wasn't an inside trade. There's no way. And guess what? I'm sure they all, like, the people that were involved, they bought up the crypto on this massive crash. I mean, all the altcoins went down 70%. I mean, imagine the entries you could have gotten there. And be up like 70% again, basically immediately after we went back up. 111 RR is crazy. But how can you, like, how much do you risk for this trade? If it goes to stop loss, how much would you lose? Yes, I 100% think people bought XRP. Yeah, a lot of other coins as well, not just XRP, trust me. What is the trade doing, by the way? Are you getting wrecked? No, we're getting a little bit wrecked. I think it was 120. What do you mean? Oh, 120. So you can make, okay. So you made like, what's that? 11 RR, that's like 1,350 or something like this, right? That's crazy. Because I couldn't even leave a trade to 11 RR, I think. Well, I could, but my consistency rule would explode. If I make like 3k a day on an account. For example, on this setup, if this hits 11 RR, I would make 11 RR, that's, yeah, $3,600 on the account, and that's just insane for a daily win. Then I will have such a huge profit target before I can pay out. Are we getting wrecked, guys? We are not getting wrecked. Nice. Oh, if this hits take profit, guys, I'm already gonna be that week is gonna be good if this hits take profit. Because I basically have a risk-free week then. With the win rate I have, there's no way I'm gonna lose like more than 3 trades in this week. I mean, it can happen, but it's very unlikely. So this hitting take profit would be really nice. But 11 RR is insane, man. Well, you also have another account, you don't have the legacy account, right? If I wouldn't have the legacy account, I would also trade differently. Give a shit about my profits. If I make 10k, I take it. Yeah, but on my account, I don't think it works like this. I'm not sure how the rapid accounts work. But I have a legacy account. Doesn't work like this. Legacy accounts are basically insane for scaling the payouts. You know what I mean? For getting massive payouts on a few accounts. And the other rapid accounts are more if you want to pull the money out quickly, which is also cool. Honestly, both account sizes are kind of cool. So what is going on in the market, guys? 4 minutes to go. 4 minutes to go for market open. I want to see a close below here again. Close below here would be nice, a nice first sign already. These are the 2 key levels we have to look at, guys. This is what I need to lose here for the trade to look really good. Starting to look really good. Wait, why did the point of control move? Oh, because I changed the area a little bit. It's a good close though here, I think, on the 1 hour. Here on the 1 hour, yeah. I would love to see us go back down here, guys. If we go back down here, I can look for longs again. We have a nice, insanely nice profit all in our bag, and then I can look for longs as well. Let me see what you wrote. Oh, you wrote a lot. Yes, but after your first part, the payout to drawdown is locked at 25k. From there on, I give a shit about my profits. Yeah, I know what you mean. It's also a strategy. It's also a good strategy. Let's say I make 10k trade. But can you pay out 10 if you make 10k on a rapid account? Can you pay it out? Isn't there, there's also a consistency rule, no? That you can't go above a certain amount of profits per day. No. Because of the bigger size I can take, consistency comes from a loan. So what do you mean with no? There's no... You can pay out if you pass a 25k account and you make, let's say, 7.5k in a day after you pass it, you can withdraw that? No, right? That would be crazy. Then the rapid accounts are really good. Because I can't do it on a legacy account like this. But I think what you mean is, even if you make a lot of profits, you will still at some point be able to take the money out. And you will be safe, right? This is what you mean, with consistency comes from itself. Okay, yeah, I get it. But I see it like this, I get it. Yeah, I know. Now I know what you mean. Yeah, it's also a good strategy. You just have to make sure, I'm not sure how high your profit... if you make 10k in a day, like what balance you need to reach then to be able to pay out, you know? I'm not sure what exactly that would be. I try to not go above like 1.2k a day. Yeah, nice guys, we're seeing a little pullback here again. Well, now we're now we break even again. Market open now. Okay, we can see some volatility now. Let's see. Ooh, big pump. Big pump candle. We're gonna go here most likely now. There's no reason not to go here. Well, let's see what this trade does, guys. One massive pump candle here. Not looking good. But we hit the 1 hour resistance now. Let's see. I mean, if we break this here, guys, we're probably gonna hit the stop loss if we go above here. Really strong market open so far. Not too good, guys. Not too good. Okay, we're at this main liquidity zone now. I hope we will see a pullback from here. What did you write? After, let's say, hitting 10k a day, next day you can trade with more size, like 500 risk there you can make. Well, that's, yeah, I know that's a good strategy as well, I guess. That's actually a crazy good strategy. Maybe I'm also gonna try this. That's true. 4 payouts or 40 days. That's actually a really good strategy. I didn't think about that. Because in the end, if you make a lot on a day, it doesn't matter because you will your account will be safe still, and you can, at some point, you will be able to take it out. What do you mean with lock your drawdown? So you need to do a payout first, and after that you trade like this. Or can you do it like this directly after you pass? Okay. Cool plan, man. I like it. Oh shit, guys, we are getting really high here. This looks like it might hit the stop loss here, actually, guys. It's a really strong market open here. This is our last hope here, basically. But I'm just gonna leave it running, guys. I already accepted the loss when I took this trade, so... Rapid. After 1 payout, your drawdown gets locked. Yeah, it's the same with me. It also gets locked at 50k. After the first payout, it's the same with me. But why can't you do it right after you pass? Why do you have to lock the balance at 50k? Or 25k? That's what I don't really get. Massive pump here. What is going on, guys? Strong market open here, really. So I'm probably also gonna do this like this from now on. Oh, what? I didn't know this. What? Okay. I'm definitely gonna do it like this from now on as well, always. I didn't know that your drawdown scales according to your days if you don't immediately pay out. I don't think it's different according to that. But I'll have to check, yeah. Well, guys, look at this. We actually saw some nice liquidity sweep right now, so... But there is a chance that we hit the stop loss here still, guys. It's really strong right now. If we hit the stop loss, I'm probably gonna not trade for the remaining day. Wait a little bit for what the market is gonna do next, because I think we can still go up here. Then I'm probably gonna look for a short at the highs again. I mean, I could risk one more trade here, right? I could do it according to my rule. But also, do think that we can go up here, and waiting for this would then be safer, I think, instead of just trying to short again, because ES is still in a high time frame uptrend, guys. But for now I'm just gonna hold this, guys, hold strong. You can actually delete this now. This is the level that we need to go to, really. So you don't look the drawdown if the payout, the drawdown stays the same. Wait, let me ask. Maybe ChatGPT knows this quickly, so I don't have to. It's the same of legacy accounts, legacy futures accounts on FundedNext. I'm reading it right now. It's the same. It's crazy. I need to do this as well from now on. So basically the best way, so if your balance, when you make your first withdrawal, your maximum loss limit drawdown gets locked to your starting balance. That's what I said and you said. That means even if you make 10k profit, your max, your ML doesn't scale up with balance. It stays at 50k. And otherwise it scales up, so this is insane. This is really important to know. So wait, so best is to always request the first payout as soon as you can. Yeah, even ChatGPT agrees now. I asked it. It is the best way is to immediately do the payout. So it makes sense as well. So your account locks at the 25k or 50k, because then if you make a massive amount of money on one day, you're safe forever, basically. And this is so crazy. This is so crazy. I didn't think about that. So this is the best way to trade on the accounts. Do the first payout immediately, because I have one account that I can request a 1k payout right now. So I'm gonna actually do this today. It's a newly passed one, the last one that I passed, and this is the first payout, so it makes sense to do this. On the others I already did some payouts as well, so that's good, but I didn't know this. This is so cool. So the dumbest thing you can actually do is wait with the payouts. I mean with the first payout at least. Crazy, man. Thank you. That's a cool tip. I didn't know this. I need to tell other people as well. This is so crazy with these rules. You always need to think like, what is the best way to like abuse it for your own good? Because they have many rules like this. If you don't know about them, yeah. Man, futures accounts, I'm honestly starting to think futures accounts are much better than Forex accounts. Guys, we are going to hit the stop loss maybe. Part of the game, if that happens, part of the game. This is the first loss on stream, by the way. This is actually the first loss if we hit the stop loss. It's also good that we get some losses on stream, I guess. Else everyone thinks it's a scam if you only win again, which makes sense. I was asked and try to see it from all angles. Yeah, I think a lot. Yeah, I didn't know this. I didn't, because it's so funny on the website itself. When you buy the account, they only show a really small amount of the rules in detail. You know what I mean? But this is something, yeah, you definitely have to think about and research crazy. But let me quickly see what's the difference now. Actually, what's the main difference between legacy and rapid? Which is better? Let me see what ChatGPT says now. What? This is completely wrong, no? This is from Forex accounts, what the hell? This is from Forex accounts, not futures. ChatGPT doesn't get it somehow, this one. There were no two phases on my account. It's telling me that legacy has 2 phases. There were no 2 phases. I don't know. This ChatGPT is completely wrong. Check Discord. Okay, let me check Discord. Guys, are we gonna hit stop loss on this? What do you think? Is the lock still on my side, or are we gonna pump? I'm gonna check Discord now. Rapid model first drawdown available in 3 days. No benchmark days. 100% to trade or no split. Withdrawal caps. Cap lifts after 5 withdrawals. Okay. No 50% bonus. Okay. Legacy first withdrawal available in 5. So if more benchmark days. Must complete minimum 5 months for first withdrawal. 100% to trader. Up to 50% profit before, then 100% no cap. Okay. So wait, the other one has 50% performance reward. That's the difference, obviously, after we've learned 10% of the account size. Higher profit targets, okay, no consistency rule. No daily loss limit. But there's also no daily loss limit, right, on the rapid model? 40% consistency rule applies. I don't know. I honestly think the rapid accounts are better. The more that I look at this. Did we hit stop loss yet? I'm not even on my chart. Nope. Oh, we're getting really close though. We're getting really close, guys. He's just too strong today, I guess. This is the last hope here. This is the last hope for my trade, guys. That we see somehow a magical massive pull down from here. It is what it is, guys. Yeah, but honestly, the rapid accounts seem better on FundedNext. I mean, you have the legacy 50% reward and all that stuff. But I think in overall, the legacy accounts are better. I mean, I probably have to buy them. Well, I have like 4 accounts, I can buy 2 more, right? So probably the next 50k accounts I'll get, or the last 2 ones are probably gonna be the other ones. You can pay out quicker and stuff like this as well. It's really cool. And also the benchmark days, like that you have 3. This is a huge thing. That I have 5 benchmark days and you have 3 only. This is a huge difference, honestly. True. That's also a big thing. The consistency during your evaluation. This is really a big thing, because with yours you can pass it in 1 day, basically. Right? You can pass it in 1 day, I think. Yeah, that's a big thing. I'm not gonna get the legacy accounts anymore, but obviously I'm gonna keep them now. So what is happening here, guys? Are we gonna hit stop loss or it's playing with our feelings right now? Look at this. The chart is playing with our feelings. I used to get so upset when something like this happens, and now it's just like whatever. If you hit stop loss, it's just how it is. We're gonna catch a nice trade today for sure. This week, I mean. And I've had a huge, like the last 2 weeks were in channel really good, so. It's really pumping though, this is crazy. It's pumping crazy. I guess we will really go to this 1 hour resistance here. This is the last. I also didn't want to pull this any further because risking even more here is not worth it. I don't want to risk too much. I'm gonna lose 300 bucks. It's not the end of the world. I might even be able to recover this today again, guys, because I could still open one trade, one loss, another loss after this one. But if this hits stop loss, I'm probably gonna switch off the stream, guys, and yeah, gonna take a break probably then. Maybe I'll post a set. If I take another set, I'm gonna probably post it on my Discord as well. If we hit stop loss here. We're getting close to this 1 hour resistance here now. So strong right now, crazy. But I'm definitely gonna buy the rapid accounts next time. Looks like we're gonna hit the stop loss here, guys, probably. Wait, pumping so crazy. Now we literally have a little bit of hope left for this trade. This is a small amount of margin here, guys, from hitting the stop loss here or not. Was there also 30-minute resistance here somewhere? Nope, not here. I do think it's probably gonna stop out this trade. I mean, if this goes to take profit now from here, guys, it would be crazy. That would be crazy, man. Take a payout if you reach 27k. Payout of 250 at... Yeah, that's a good thing. You just don't... You pay at half of what you can, right? So now I could pay out 1.1k on one account, so I pay out half of that. I'm gonna do this today. I'm gonna get this payout on the one account that I didn't get. Actually, I'm probably gonna do this now, right? Why shouldn't I do this now? Let me quickly get that payout then, guys. Oh wait, I can't. I'm in a trade. I can't. I have to wait. I'm gonna, yeah, if this hits stop loss, I'm gonna quickly do that. Imagine this hits take profit now. That would be insane. I've had trades like this that were so close to stop loss and they went according to plan, but it's rare though. Look at this, it tells me the green payout bar when I can pay out. What is this pump, guys? That's so cool. Where did you make this yourself, this Excel sheet? That's cool, man. It shows you everything. That's really cool. It's also a good way to journal your trades. We hit the 1 hour now, guys. This is our last hope for this trade. This is literally our last hope if you see a pullback now. Oh, look at this pullbacks already. I mean, if this goes below here, down here again, then it's actually looking good. But it's, yeah, we can also hit stop loss now, so I'm not gonna get... Right now it still looks like we can go much higher. If you're not in a short, this is a setup you could take. Could have taken from this 1 hour, but... Yeah, I do think it looks bullish, man. It looks like we actually can maybe even go to the highs here again. It all depends on this level now. That's really cool, that Excel sheet, man. I need to make something like this as well. Good afternoon, Martin. How are you doing? We are in a slight loss today. We're close to hitting the stop loss. If we hit stop loss, guys, I'm probably gonna end the stream. And maybe I'm gonna look for one more trade today because I am allowed to take 2 losses a day. There is still some luck here, guys. Actually, some hope. If we go below here again, below these highs. That's funny. Hit this level to the exact dollar so far. Oh, I need to go on the toilet quickly, guys. Fine, just checked in. How are you working by the way, Martin? Or too bad in a loss, can't win them all. Yeah, it is what it is. But I just said it's the first loss on stream, so it's good that we also show losses. I don't want to like make a false image of winning every trade. What is this price action right now, man? This is crazy. Really close to the stop loss here. I set it right above this wick here, as you can see. So maybe there is still some hope for this trade, honestly. There is still some small hope left. Holiday took a swim with the kids. Man, you're enjoying life, I guess. I'm stuck here in Switzerland. I'm gonna go to Zakynthos on the end of March. And now comes the time in Switzerland where it's getting cold and rainy. It's raining a lot and all this stuff. So I love summer here in Switzerland, but winter is a little bit boring. But it's good to work, I guess. If it's not hot outside, that's a cool thing. It's a good time to hustle, honestly. We're pumping back up, guys. Doesn't look good. If we go again to the 1 hour resistance, I'm probably gonna hit the stop loss here. And it still looks strong. What is strong push though today? Was such a good entry though. I was even up $300 on this trade. Was a good entry. So I was almost I was 1 hour up. That's part of the game, guys. It is what it is. I really wonder what's gonna happen next. I do think we're gonna hit this stop loss probably. Well, let's see. I mean, it's really strong right now. Since the market opened, it's just been going up. Yeah, I showed the trend. I showed there was a breakout actually, but I don't trade breakouts. I mean, if you look at this here, I can show it to you right now. As you can see here, I showed this on the stream before, but we were actually at the entry when I showed this. So this is a perfect retest here of this downtrend here. Well, almost perfect. Yeah, if you take it from the wicks. Retest, and then yeah, you can see there's a breakout. But the thing is, a lot of retail traders trade these breakouts, and often they result in massive fakeouts. So this is why I don't trade them often. I do sometimes trade them, but it's not the strategy I use for ES at all. I like to look at trends for high time frame though. For example, on Bitcoin. So what is going on, guys? The market is playing with our feelings here. Close to the stop loss, but not yet hit. Oh, what did I just press? This is the wrong thing. It is playing with our feelings right now. This is actually the worst when it's so close to the stop loss. I mean, if this hits, if this actually goes to break even again, then it's starting to look a little bit better. Look at the sniper entry this would have been though. It is high time frame, kinda, it's 1 hour. Yeah, I know what you mean. I saw that before actually. This was, yeah, this would have been the reason that I should have could have taken the small profits out to $300. And it was there. There was also 1 hour support by the way that was hit to the dollar. The market is completely playing with our emotions, guys. Look at this. Yeah, well, let's see what happens, guys. When the giveaway will start. Sorry, I didn't see this message on Kick. I need to check my Kick more often. Oh, I need to check my Kick's chat more often. Sorry guys, there were some questions in there. I didn't see it until now. I'm not sure if you're still in here. You're even a follower. Cool, man. I got some followers, I guess. Sorry, I didn't see it. So your question was, which pair do you trade? I trade ES futures on futures only. My futures account. But on my Forex accounts, I also trade... I trade crypto, Bitcoin and Ethereum, and Euro USD mainly. This are basically all the trades that I pair right now. And I'm from Switzerland. Sorry for ignoring me. I didn't see the message. So what is happening with our trade, guys? Is it gonna give us a chance again here? Yo, if this hits the take profit, that would be the funniest thing ever. That would be crazy if we see a massive crash now. I mean, who knows? If we get, honestly, if we go below here again, it's starting to look really good again. But as long as we stay up here, it's not looking good. So it does, I do think we're gonna probably get stopped out here still. I'm gonna go quickly AFK, guys, for 2 or 3 minutes. Alright guys, give me 1 or 2 minutes. Or probably 4 or 5 minutes. Let's see what the market does. I'm quickly gonna go AFK. Maybe we're gonna hit the stop loss, guys. Alright, I'm back, guys. Looks like we're getting stopped out here. I don't know, it's moving weird right now. I mean, let's see, guys. Who knows? Okay, no issue. So you are live on YouTube, Kick both doing trading, also free source of income, business mind. Yes, exactly. This is why I wanted to start streaming. Well, it's right now I'm not earning anything from streaming. Obviously, I don't have enough like followers and viewers. But yes, this is why I started to stream. And I'm streaming live on Kick and YouTube at the same time, yeah. What about you? Where do you trade? Do you trade futures or what do you trade? By the way, guys, I'm gonna do a $25,000 giveaway soon on FundedNext. So to make sure to join the giveaway, wait, you can type this giveaway. Let me type it here as well on YouTube. So this is how you join the giveaway, guys. Did it get stopped out yet? Nope. So this is how you join. What is this? It's completely wrong here. The link is wrong on YouTube somehow. Is it? No, it is wrong. Let me quickly fix that. I think like this it should work. Let me check. Really close to the stop loss here, guys. Oh, look at this. This was really close already. Why does it do this though? Wait, let me do this then for YouTube. Let me actually do like this. Alright, like this it works. Let me try it once more. We're so close to hitting the stop loss, it's crazy. Yeah, now it works, I think. There we go. Okay, it works, guys. I'm doing steps. What do you mean? What do you mean by doing steps? Are you a new trader or? So basically, guys, to join the giveaway, you need to sign up on a link. That's important, and then join my free Discord. And I'm gonna choose one winner today of a $25,000 account for free. So make sure to sign up with the link, especially the guy on Kick. Because I think I'm gonna choose a winner from Kick chat today, because I have the last two winners were from YouTube, so I'm gonna choose someone Kick. We're so close to the stop loss. I think we're gonna hit it soon. Yeah, now I'm probably gonna hit it now. Okay, never mind. Never mind, we haven't hit yet, but I think we will. Too bad. Your message got retraced. I can't see your message somehow. Wait, let me make you a moderator anyways. Oh, you mean too bad because I'm not doing it in YouTube, or? So close to the stop loss, guys. Holy crap. Yeah, we're probably gonna reach it now, though. Yeah, now it got hit. Alright, guys, sadly a stop loss today. It is what it is. Can't win them all. I'm gonna maybe take one more trade today. I can take one more loss, but I'm probably gonna stop streaming for now. Because I need to take a break and I need to eat something. I haven't eaten anything today, literally. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching, and make sure to follow my stream if you want to see more streams like this. And yeah, I'm gonna update you guys on Discord as well if I take any more trades. We'll see. But thank you for watching, guys, and see